Hi everyone, I'm Cameron, and today I'm going to show Claude Computer Use for disability use cases. Claude Computer Use allows individuals to type messages into a chat window and allow Claude via Anthropic to control their computer and interact with content on the desktop or on the web. So if I search for Cyber Monday deals for iPads with Google. Just typed in a message to search for Cyber Monday deals with Google, and Claude has confirmed the request, is taking screenshots along the way to verify this activity in the main window. And in the main window, we see that Firefox is opened, the address bar is focused, it clicks on the Google search field, enters the query, and then all along the way, Claude is taking screenshots and checking its work. And then we get a summary of all of the results on the left pane in the chat window. And we see that we loaded up the list of iPad results on the right. This is super interesting on its surface for assistive technology users because it reduces a bunch of this intermediary steps to interacting with the content. That's important because assistive technology users tend to deal with a lot of rote interactions, repetitive interactions that can lead to fatigue, a lot of verbosity in the accessibility tree, often a lack of any meaningful accessibility tree contents. So I think this is compelling. However, there are a lot of big problems with this. The first is that in order for you to get access to this browser via assistive technology, right now it's basically a video like a video that you can't interact with assistive technology. Even if you turn screen control on, the accessibility API is not surfaced in this main window. In order for this to be useful for assistive technology users, they would need to run it on their uh, on their laptop or their desktop without any of the constraints built in to this VM. That means that the computer use um, could do things that were unexpected and otherwise create disruption for their local environment. Also, running locally on your machine has potential privacy implications, security implications. All of these screenshots uh, presumably are getting sent to Anthropic, and they even have a big caveat when you run this. This has never provided access to sensitive data, accounts or data, as malicious web content can hijack Claude's behavior. So right now, despite its promise, this is essentially a non-starter for most use cases with assistive technology, um, which is disappointing, but I'm still hopeful and optimistic that something like this can be useful in the long run. Thanks for joining.